Hello, welcome back to another vlog here at Adventure Times. Today we're at Alton and I'm with someone special. We're with Chris.
Hello boys.
First time featuring on the vlog. So yeah, we're in for a good day here at Alton. Come and join us as we do the rides. And Chris hasn't done for about 30 odd years, or however long it's been.
I'm not that old. Don't listen to me.
Are you ready to go upside down 14 times, Chris?
I'm always ready to go upside down 14 times.
Let's go on the smiler. We just come off of the smiler. What do you think, Chris, of that?
I loved it. I forgot how violent it was and how jelly belly and jelly legs and how insane it is. But I loved it.
And people saying it's rough. It's not rough. I don't know what they're saying. It's brilliant.
I've had rougher things before.
Don't we know? We've just come off of a really good ride into Oblivion and diving into a big hole, Chris. What do you think about diving into a big hole?
Always a thumbs up from me.
Thought that would be the case. Onto the flat rides down here in Exeter. So obviously we've done the Smiler, we've done Oblivion, we've done Twistertron. We're actually struggling for rides. There's a lot of rides that are shut. And I believe it may have something to do with the storms that we had last night. But yeah, I think we're up to the curse, aren't we, Chris?
Yeah.
Up to the curse?
Yeah, story of my life.
Cursed. We are cursed today.
Royal Mail staff.
As we head down to Alton Manor. First time, Chris, doing Alton Manor it is?
I've done it years ago, but this is the first time
Was
I've
this
done
when it was Jewel?
Oh, no, shocking.
Shocking, yeah, shocking.
Yeah, shocking, that's the right word. So I'm looking forward to see what they've done to this. I've seen the vlog that you did, so I'm looking forward to see if it lives up to expectations.
Well, let's go and find out.
We shall see.
Maybe we won't be doing the Curse of Alton Manor because
No.
it's just been evacuated.
But the pre-ride show was very good.
It's good.
We just don't know what's happened now. So watch this space.
Well, yeah, who knows? But yeah, it's a bit disappointing, really. But there you go. Can't be helped, I guess. We just come off of Alton Manor, Curse of Alton Manor. What do you think, Chris?
Yes. Well, it's a bit scarier than I thought.
How was your picture again, Chris?
Probably like that. Yeah, they were very. It's very clever. It's very well put together. I really enjoyed it, and it was cool.
It was cool.
It was nice and cool in there, so we managed to get a bit of respite from the heat. But overall, 9 out of 10.
Fair enough. Right. Let me tell you, that was probably the worst run through I've had through there. There were effects that weren't working. There were large parts where it was dark. It's okay, but there's quite a few effects that aren't working in there, unfortunately.
So judging by that, then obviously it's 5 out of 10.
General public, GP, you can't go wrong. They're happy with it. Just enthusiasts aren't. There you go. Anyway, we'll keep going around and see what we can get on, seeing as there's still not much open. Obviously no Hayley today because I traded her in for Chris, and we're coming to the sea life, so this one's just for you, Hayley. Maybe a brief tour around sea life in Alton Towers. Yeah, anybody fancy an hand? After some nice ones, it's time to have a spin on Spinball Whizzer, because that's the only other ride that we haven't done yet. We need to do it's on a 60-minute queue. After about an hour and 10-minute wait, we come off a Spinball Whizzer. Chris, did you enjoy that?
I enjoyed it immensely. A few profanities came out.
A few? Christ, small kids, to be honest. Never heard such foul language in all my life.
I didn't think it was so vigorous. But it was, but I loved it.
It's a good ride. So I don't know if it's been like this for a while, but I reckon that was hit by the storms last night. So yeah, that tree is no more. Here's a look down Food Street for Mardi Gras. It's very posh, very good. Mardi Bar, slush cocktails. We found another ride open. Rita appears to be open. Found another ride, Chris?
Yes, I'm always up for another ride.
Yes, I know you are, you dirty bugger. After a bit of a long wait, we done Rita, and shaking you up, innit, Chris?
It's head rush.
It's a
head
bit,
rush.
it's a bit quick.
It goes off pretty quick.
Just a little bit, yeah. Just a little bit. No, it's a good ride. Well worth
It's nice
the
to
wait.
go on something, you know, whippy.
Yes, because you're not used to whippy things, are you, Chris?
Only for you, love.
Anyway, we're hoping that Wicker Man may open next, so we're heading that way to...
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed, it may open when we get there. That's what we're hoping. But, so everything else seems to be shut or shutting or not opening, so we're heading on to the only decent ride that is open at Alton Towers, the Smiler. Are you happy going back on the Smiler, Chris? Yes. Yes.
Yes,
enough.
it makes me smile.
And he loves the music as well.
No, I don't. Don't listen to him. It's an earworm.
I know I'm in the minority, but the Smiler is running unbelievably well. We just had a cracking ride, didn't we, Chris?
Yeah, I
Cracking
loved
ride.
it the second time, even better than the first time.
Second row, back row we were first time. Back row's fine, second row is fine. I don't know what people are moaning about, to be fair. Or is it just me? Don't know. Me and Chris is trying to walk in a straight line and trying to talk as well. You just come off a spin jam. You love that, right? Don't you, Chris?
Oh yeah, love it.
Yeah, love it.
Yeah, I feel like I've been had about 10 pints of Guinness and nothing to eat.
It's cheaper.
Yeah.
Just go on there, you feel drunk.
But very good, I loved it.
That's alright. It's still the best flat ride here at the minute. Right, it's time to geek out. I haven't seen the new Nemesis track in person. So I forgot to end the vlog again. So we're back in the car. We're back dropping Chris off. How was it, Chris? How was your day?
I had a really good day. I'm not going to lie, I was disappointed we couldn't get on Wicker Man or what's that one?
Oh, Subterra.
Yeah, and Galactica. I'm not that disappointed with that, but I am disappointed I couldn't get on Wicker Man because I've never been on it.
Nah.
But
We've
we
got
made up.
free tickets next time.
Yeah, exactly. And that's a good thing. There were some people bitching and moaning about the fact, but you know, effectively we've had a day out for free.
Exactly.
So, and I'll come back and go on those again at some point. But we did the Smiler twice. So we did 9 rides altogether, I think.
I think it was a good day.
So I think I really enjoyed it.
Good.
And Chris is a very good driver.
There we go.
And and we went through the storms at the end as well. So we
Yes,
had a little bit of excitement then, and narrowly missed a piece of fork lining.
There you go. So if you like this, make sure you hit the like, make sure you hit the subscribe, and we see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.